giant because, surprise. Wait,
we're making some vegan cinnamon rolls.
Let's get it. Where are you? Oh, we're gonna go to the baking aisle because we don't really, like, the recipe is super simple. It's like 5 ingredients. The only kind of weird ingredient that I think we'll have here, vegan butter.
Oh no, they will. I get it all the time.
Yeah.
I'm an actual vegan.
Yeah, Molly's a vegan
understand.
and I'm not. We just came from a photo shoot, so my outfit is so dramatic in this grocery store.
Fun fact, get this in your video. Oat milk is the most environmentally conscious vegan milk, so if you're gonna go almond, cashew, or oat, oat's your guy.
It's vegan. I didn't know our store had things like this. I don't know why it wouldn't though. Is that the cheapest one?
The milk?
Is that the cheapest one?
It is. It's $2.79.
Oh good, because we're on a budget.
So since Nevada has some of the stuff at her house, all we got was oat yeah, milk,
But what?
vegan butter.
Oh yeah.
It says oat yeah.
And baking powder.
Nice.
I think it's not that many ingredients, but I have most of them at my house, and she's gonna bring some because we cannot be out here buying flour.
Yeah, these people see us talking
And
to a
stuff
wall
like
right
that.
now. Oh my god.
Bye.
Item in the bagging area.
We're ready to make vegan cinnamon buns. But we're back at the house now, and we're gonna make vegan cinnamon rolls. Molly is an actual vegan. I'm not, but I think they're still gonna turn out really good. Because I've never had vegan butter, but does it taste different than regular butter?
Some people say yes, but for me it's not that big of a deal.
But for the ingredients, we have all-purpose unbleached flour. At the store they had like bleached flour. I don't even know, like,
It's probably not bad, but for my food, unbleached.
yeah, that sounded scary. So we got the unbleached flour, powdered sugar, cinnamon, vanilla extract, and the milk we picked was oat milk.
Yes.
So I think you could pick any milk for the recipe. I'm gonna link the recipe down below. So, but we just chose oat milk.
Oh, and by the way, we got the vanilla flavored oat milk, so we're hoping that'll make it even more yummy. And then we have, what is this, baking powder. We got our vegan butter, of course. And we got some salt, brown sugar. So I was like, what is this chunky milk? I'm just kidding. We got our instruments, including a measuring cup, a scrapey john, 2 cute, adorable, aesthetic golden spoons.
That's for mixing ice.
Aww, 2 little icing balls. Johnny's and a big bowl.
In a large bowl, powder, flour, baking powder, and salt. I think I'm the worst baker ever. My mom is gonna have a heart attack when she sees this video of us getting a mess on the counter.
No, we're being clean. That's what we're doing with the bowl. So it's 1.
This smells a little odd. Did you smell it? We washed our hands, by the way.
Yeah. No, we actually did.
Okay, it's good.
Perfect.
If you hear me coughing in this video, I'm so sorry. It's
Just
just
have
so gross. I'm just a little.
She just has swine flu, don't worry. Just believe in yourself.
True. Wow. Can you tell we don't bake a lot? Well, I don't. Do you?
No. Good, that's perfect.
Mom, I'm so sorry. I'm gonna clean this mess up.
No,
I
this
swear.
is an easy cleanup.
What else?
There we go.
Okay. Then it just says to mix that all together. We have to add the vegan butter into this now. And it says 1 3/8 cup of vegan butter. I don't know how to measure.
That's a lot.
How much is in here? I'm so confused.
15 ounces, so.
What
Oh,
does
that
that
makes
mean?
sense. No, I don't know.
Please just get a cup.
Oh my gosh, these are gonna be creamy buns.
Is 3 is 3/8 more than a 1/4 or? I don't know.
4/8 is a half. So yes, it's more than a 1/4.
3/8
That better
is a
be
half?
right, or else I look like an id.
The thing about baking is that it has to be exact though, or else it
Or else it's
won't
goof.
work. Like cooking, you can just kind of eyeball it, but
Right.
baking, you really can't,
Right.
which is the scary part.
There we go.
So
We got
there's
our
a
cup of butter. It's like a vanilla ice cream.
Oh my god.
Do you think that's right? That's so much, y'all. Like, look, it's like the whole bowl. Literally. I don't know if you can see this. This bowl is a little too small for this concoction.
I think we need.
And I.
This is what it looks like right now, and the recipe kind of looks like that. So I think we're ready to move on to the next step, which is the milk. This smells really bad.
That's what good buns sound like.
I think that I don't have a rolling pin. So we're gonna roll it into like a ball, and then it says put it back in the bowl and let it sit.
Get my grimy, greasy hands in here. This is our
So
ball.
that's what it looks like, and this is what it's supposed to look like. Okay, I'm just gonna preheat the oven. It says to do it to 400. And we'll put it in this. I think this is nonstick. Is this nonstick? I hope so. 'Cause that's all I have.
Do you have any spray?
No.
Oh.
We don't have much in this house for baking.
Okay, we're just gonna wing it.
Yeah. We put it in the fridge. I'm not sure if we were supposed to.
It was a little chunky, so.
But like,
Not
I feel
chunky.
like it's gonna make it better. I think that's enough.
Yes.
Okay.
Maybe make it into a ball more before you put it on there. Like roll it up, because it might be easier to.
It's like, guys, like look, it's like stretchy, like cinnamon buns are. So we're gonna use our makeshift rolling pin.
Yep.
Oh, does it work?
Right in. Yeah, it's working like a charm. What? It is? I don't know what I'm doing this for.
Now we're gonna make this like filling, and what we need for that is brown sugar, butter, cinnamon. Why does it look like that?
We almost got all of it. It's looking a lot better. Just one rock left, one boulder. Very good. It was like exactly 1 cup.
Yeah, literally.
Perfect.
So then we'll add this.
Oh yeah, use the entire container. Hopefully.
Hopefully, because otherwise we did something very wrong.
Or very right.
Oops, I cooked this for so long. It's like burnt.
This is brown sugar, butter, and cinnamon. It smells so good, you guys.
Look at that. It looks kind of gross, but it smells good. Oh yeah, what if it tastes like trash?
Looks can be deceiving though.
That's deep. It's fast.
You're supposed to roll it
Yeah,
hot
we're
dog.
gonna roll it. Yeah. Hot dog. Hot dog, hot dog,
Hot diggity dog.
Mickey Mouse slapped.
And I present the world's largest burrito. Why does this look like everything except for cinnamon buns?
A hoagie, a burrito.
A burrito. A baguette, banh mi for all my Vietnamese lovers. Food! Food. I mean, people too.
Long story short, we'd increase the pan.
I'm like trying to salvage some cinnamon shaush, if you will.
I'm really nervous we didn't grease the pan.
It's all good. Hopefully it's non-stick.
Oh my god. Okay.
She
And
hot.
how much? 25 minutes? And we'll just keep checking on them. This is the icing.
Starting to look so yummy. So thick.
I'm so excited.
And then when it goes on the hot rolls, it's gonna like melt
Oh
on
my
them. About 2 minutes left. And this is what they look like. Ow! Oh my god! All right, y'all, don't check in too close. This boy's hot.
Ready for the reveal?
Yep. Ooh.
And like I said earlier, I'm gonna link the recipe down below. Found it on Pinterest. So if you guys wanna try it out, it'll be in the description. This is my dog, Gigi. She's gonna try it first.
See? How is it?
It's so funny.
Can't get over how good these look. See, it's already starting to melt. Ready to try them?
Yes, I am. Okay, it's the moment we've been waiting for.
They're fine.
It tastes like more of a texture of like a bread.
Right.
Like a harder bread. It's not like,
It's like cakey, kind of.
the icing makes it. If you don't have icing, it kind of just tastes like a cinnamon raisin bread. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Mine's
It's thick
the
though.
raisins. actually good. I changed my mind.
Mm-hmm.
The more you get into it, the better it gets. I forgot it's vegan.
I'll give it like an 8 or 9.
Yeah.
Really good, honestly.
Yeah, I forgot that it was vegan.
And having it be like homemade too, so much better. Because usually I'm like buying the frozen ones, you know.
I mean, like, know exactly what's in it.
In conclusion, after making those easy vegan cinnamon buns,
They were not easy.
They were not easy. I mean, maybe they probably were for like someone who cooks a lot, but for us it was just
like we never
else.
bake, so
Right.
it's kind of like, and it was a lot of cleanup. Personally, rather just buy the Pillsbury ones. They're good for like if you have a lot of time to like prepare them and mix them and stuff, but it's not just like a 15-minute recipe.
Exactly.
It's like an hour and a half, but it's
Still would
fun
recommend it.
though. And if you want like a vegan recipe that's tastes good, like that one definitely does taste good though.
Yeah.
Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I linked me and Molly's last video we did together in the description. It was the BFF tag. I think that was like about a year ago that we posted that, but I linked that down there if you guys want to see more videos of us together. And as always, give a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you in my next video. Bye
Thanks
everyone!
for watching!